Today we're making the most juicy, tender, fall off the bone barbecue ribs right in the pressure cooker. This recipe is quick, easy, perfect for a weeknight dinner or for your next barbecue. Without further ado, let's dive in. To begin, I'm using 2 racks of baby back ribs. I'm going to remove the membrane. They're nice and clean, by the way. To remove it, you're going to grab your knife, go underneath like this. And you're going to grab a napkin. This is to help you get a grip of it. And this is what's going to make the ribs less chewy. Okay? Not less chewy, not chewy at all. It's gonna be nice and tender and juicy. Once you get the hang of it, you should be able to just pull it out in one piece. Just like this. Perfect. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. Just trying to lift it up a little bit and then grab your napkin, pull it out. Perfect. Just like this. Now we're going to pat it dry with a napkin on both sides. Make sure it's not wet or anything. Flip it over. Do the same thing. Now it's time to season. Now I am going to be using yellow mustard as the binder. You can drizzle some olive oil all over it. And trust me, it's not gonna taste like mustard, okay? Just rub it all over. Just like this. Now you can use Dijon mustard if you like as well. Going to flip it over. Rub it in. And if you need a big cutting board like this, I'll leave it down below for you. I got mine from Amazon, all right? Now once you have that nice and coated with the mustard, just like this, I like to season this side first. We're going in with the seasoning. I have a whole lot of seasoning here. I'll leave it on the screen. This is the perfect barbecue seasoning blend. It's so tasty. I have a whole lot of seasoning in here, like I said. The more flavor, the better. Just sprinkle it all over, just like this. Don't be shy. Like I said, the more flavor, the better. I'm going to give it a nice pat down. Do not rub it. Make sure it sticks. Now we're going to flip it over. It smells so good. I have cinnamon in here, cumin, cayenne pepper. Ooh, it's going to be so good, y'all. I have some thyme. And I'm actually making barbecue today, the whole thing. I'm making cornbread, green beans, baked beans, everything. Let me know if you guys want like a full video, how I make like a whole meal. But that's what I'm making today. I'm showing you guys how to make the ribs, but I'm making everything else off camera. So don't be shy, just pat that in, just like this. Now you can bake this as well, but it'll take forever. Perfect, I'm all done with the ribs. Time to add it to the pressure cooker. All right guys, I'm going to be using my pressure cooker. This is how it looks like. I do not have a rack for it. If yours come with a rack, place it down first. So now I am going in with about half a cup of water. Half a cup of water. Also I have a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. Then we're going to place our ribs right in there. Now you're just going to grab your ribs, just place it right in, just like this. Just going to curl it Place it right in there. Now we're going to cover it. And we're going to set our timer for 40 minutes on pressure cook. That's it. Once the 30 minutes is up, I'll show you guys what to do next. All right, guys, after 40 minutes, our ribs is nice and done. I am going to release the pressure or the steam. Now be very careful when it comes to the steam. It's very dangerous. I like to let it just go until it's completely done before I open it. Now we're going to open it. Ooh, my goodness, it looks so good. Let's get it out. Usually it falls apart when I try to take it out, as you can see, but just gonna carefully keep it in one piece so it doesn't, ooh, so it's falling apart. Tender at its finest. Oh, this is hot. Hold on. There you go. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Because I'm really trying to keep it together, but usually it doesn't produce that much, it's okay, that much juice, but we're gonna do something with this juice later, okay? Now it's time to add the barbecue sauce. Just like this. Ooh, now you can use any of your favorite barbecue sauce. I'll link this one below. Give it a nice little rub, just like this. Oh yes. Once you have it nice and coated with your barbecue sauce, we're going to place this in the broiler, okay? Not bake, broil it so it can have that golden brown color so we can caramelize the barbecue sauce, all right? That's what we're going to do. Ready. Almost done. All right, guys, our ribs are done. They are looking so good. There you have it. Fall off the bone barbecue ribs. Feels like they've been slow cooking for hours. So tender, so juicy. I know they're about to be so delicious. It's time for the taste test, and I want you guys to see how tender these ribs are. Come take a look. Let me show you. Look at that. Clean. You can just literally just pull this out. It's hot, y'all. It's a very hot. Ah! Look at that. Juicy, tender, fall off the bones. Oh my gosh. Wow. You'll see this? You'll see this? Like tender. It's so hot, but this is really, really tender. These are good. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below if you're going to try it out. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If this video was helpful, I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.